Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful weekend and a beautiful Saturday. Bitcoin getting a little bit bounce off 76. There was no new tariff news, so we got a little bit of a bounce yesterday. The low on the tariff news was 77K, and now we're at 84K, which is quite a big bounce if you think about it. That's a 6,077 to 84. That's, what is it, for $7,000 bounce. That's almost 10% on the Bitcoin price on the bounce. Our trade actually activated on Bitcoin here. So I'm going to show you those trades. And money is always eager and ready to work for anyone who's ready to employ it. I do koyen ikan. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything but the value of nothing. Philip Fisher. This applies to cryptocurrencies because many people are buying a token based off the price, but they don't take into account the market cap. Bitcoin getting a strong rebound from 77 all the way to 84, which is beautiful. And strong volume came in. There must have been some news that shot Bitcoin up here because you can see huge volume came in at 3 o'clock my time. Again, at 3 a.m. or UTC, 3 a.m. UTC, there was some big news that came out. Can you make my words consolidation? I don't advise anyone to take risks. People discussing. He has a good indicator. Join him in the group chat. You can just click here and join the chat. 2.8 trillion market cap, 1.8 million viewers, Bitcoin price.life. Again, you can set these charts up on your TV. It will switch between different tickers and you can just watch them. 60K bonus with Bybit if you use this QR code. Become a student, take the crypto master course, stock room master course. Bybit is the main exchange I trade on. 46 fear. We're still in fear, but it's about to switch to neutral. We're at 84,000. 56% dominance. Funding fee slightly positive. 84,184 with strong volume on a Saturday. Know what you own and why you own it. Peter Lynch. Know what you own and why you own it. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account would get a bounce back, I think. We're at 579. So this week it was 566, down to 544, up to 575. Then yesterday 562, back to 579. So all time for the week, it's a new high. And it's up about 12K this week, which is beautiful. You can see my Bitcoin trade. And since that trade activated, since the tariff news that took us down to 79 2 days ago, it's just been green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle the entire time up to 85, which is beautiful. You can see where I warned everyone and sold Bitcoin at 87 about the crash. I warned everyone, and then we were buying at 81, 80, 78, and even activated the order at 76,545. And I added more at 83, and then I added another one that activated on the Trump tariff yesterday or the day before at 79,800. Now we're at 84, and that trade has built up. It's now this trade. So I closed the trade when I warned everyone on the 8th of March, and now we're on the 15th of March, and I started activating the trade on the 10th of March. So it's been about 5 days of this trade being open. Now $8,800 in profits, and I've paid $149 in fees. So I paid $149 in fee and I made $8,800. It's a $285,000 Bitcoin trade, 3.5 Bitcoin. And you can see all the orders I have laddered down for Ton, Ethereum, World. I also bought yesterday, I bought Uniswap, which is up 2%. 14,000. I bought World, some trades activated up 3%. Doge is about the same, and Ton, I bought Ton, and that's up 5%. My other orders on Ton didn't activate, and we just pumped out of there at $2.70. I was buying Ton. I managed to only get, this one didn't activate, $2.79. These ones didn't activate. It just went up from when I was buying it. $3,000 of Ton. I wanted to buy more, and it just went too fast. So I'm going to buy $3,000 worth more of Ton now. Showing a little bit of strength. World, I want to buy 3,000. The low on World 80 was 70 cents. I have at 3 cents, 70 cents for more World. I'll leave these trades. Maybe I'll buy $2,000 more of World. And I'll let these trades activate. It is the weekend, so we could expect a pullback. Let's go into the technicals. My Bitcoin trade, $9,000 in profits. We're going into technicals. Yesterday, the market bounced back. We're in technicals on Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Ethereum getting a bounce. Bitcoin 84,180. The main trend line is still at 69K. You can see this trend line that we've been on for years. We started in 2023 on this trend line, this yellow one. So just keep that in mind. The trend line is the one we follow. The trend is your friend, but it can pull back to 69K. So just be aware of that. We are getting a bounce though. Let's see what on the weekly. The crypto guru bot still a blue buy, which it fired in February 2023. Get in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot did not yet fire a buy after it fired a sell at 109K. On the 4-hourly, moon phases wise, it was the full moon last night, and we did get a pump on the full moon. Who knows about this full moon pump? If you notice that on the full moon, we always get a pump, which is very interesting. On the 4-hourly, we are overbought going into the weekend. So not exactly the best time to buy is when we're oversold on the 4-hourly. You can see here on the 4-hourly, as I teach you in the crypto master course, we were oversold here and the price was at the low. You see, we were under the oversold. Below the dotted line, oversold. Above the dotted line, overbought. So now is not really the time to buy. You want to buy on a pullback. Would be the best time to buy. And we do have the potential of a pullback here because we have a rising triangle. This one builds pressure, usually breaks to the upside. The target will be 94K would be the target. However, we could get a drop. It is the weekend, so keep that in mind. Safest place to take a trade will be 69K. Stop loss 67,400, risking 1,600 to take it to the resistance 98K. 1,600 to make 29,000. 10x leverage would be 290,000. Where I would open a safer trade, I would do it off this support on a pullback, probably for the weekend. Target 79K. Stop loss 78K and take profit 98K. And this trade would be 10 risk to reward ratio, risking 1,800 to make 18,000. So it's 10x. 1,800 to make 18,000. No leverage with per Bitcoin. 10x, 10 times leverage would be 180,000. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. I would wait for a pullback to 79,800. I have orders for Bitcoin. World is filling. I have orders for Bitcoin at 75, 78, 69, 72. Let's also set one at 79K as I just said. 79K for half a Bitcoin. 79,889. So I got 79K, 75K, 78K, 69K, 78, 79, 75. I'll add half Bitcoins to each of these. 69K, 1 Bitcoin, 72, 1 Bitcoin. So you can see the orders I've got set for Bitcoin, and my Bitcoin trade $9,000 in profits, and my asset breakdown that I'm holding of alts and cryptos. Let's look at TON. That order on TON didn't activate. $3,000 with TON. My order is sitting there. You can see it's slowly moving down. TON is quite popular right now. It doesn't seem to be able to activate the order. I think it will over the weekend. I've got $3,000 at $2.90. Let's see if it pumps up more. It's 5% since yesterday. I should have activated yesterday. Let's see if it activates today or during the weekend. $2.90, 2.5, 2.7, 2.7. That's $1,000, $1,000. There's quite a few orders of TON. It will add up to probably around $10,000 of activated orders if they come down and activate. Let's see if this one activates. It's quite close to activating. That's my asset breakdown. Join us in the Telegram. There's 221 of you online, people discussing charts. You can join them in the conversation. It's international. If you get the premium on Telegram, you can it'll auto translate everyone, so you can see everyone discussing. You can join them in the Telegram. Close your trades before the market open today. None of my trades active. Happy Friday, Guru. Is good buy Solana and Sui now, better to wait. Set orders for the lows that they were during the last drop, and then most likely, happy Friday, everyone. If laughter was a country, I'd be a millionaire. Become a millionaire. First like and comment as always. Thank you. Comments, no massive questions. If you have questions, let me know. Go underneath the video, sign up to Bybit, 60K bonus. Main exchange I trade, best for fees, lowest, the best liquidity and lowest fees. Weex gives you a $200 bonus on sign up. It's KYC free worldwide exchange. Bitunix $8,000 bonus for trading, worldwide KYC free exchange, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And don't forget, over on X, I've got 104,800 followers, and you can win a shiny new iPhone 16 Pro courtesy of JCG and Bybit. Follow those steps. We've got 6 days remaining. There's already been 33,000 views. 70 people go into that to win the iPhone. Try to get in on that. Love you all. That's my updates. Bitcoin and Ton. I bought some alts. But better to set orders low, because we will most likely have some kind of news, especially on the weekend when the market is a bit weak, that spikes us down, and then those orders will all activate. You want to set low orders if there's panic in the market, it spikes down and activates your orders. Don't buy at the price it is right now, because most likely you're going to have some kind of dip that will either liquidate you or you'll lose money on your spot. Better to set low buy orders on supports. As I teach you in the stock room master course, crypto master course, make sure you take them before you start trading, so you really know what you're doing. And you can see some comments from students that have taken my courses. Here you can see my portfolio hit $1 million today because of James, and experience taking his master course is a must. I bought a new Harley Davidson Road King from the profits from your course. I'm in the process of buying a $2 million house from your videos. I bought a villa in Punta Cana, made 500,000 profit in Neo. You can just see, man, thousands and thousands, up 122,000 on my investment, almost double my money. Thanks for the info you bring. You can just see many people, which is beautiful. Also, we made some gains. That's my updates in the market. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Usually on the weekend, we do get a dump, so have those low buy orders set. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend. Be positive. Think what you want to have happen. Help the world. Always be helping people. Be kind to people. If you see someone in danger or in trouble, help them and be kind to them. You want to be a kind person in the world. Don't let people oppress anyone. Don't let people harm anyone. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.